Hey everyone! If you're trying to decide between the two best lifestyle cards in Canada, you're in the right place. Today, we're pitting the Amex Cobalt against the Scotiabank Gold Amex. Both are heavy hitters, but one is built for maximum point value while the other is the ultimate travel companion. So let's find out which one belongs in your wallet. 1. Earning rates and multipliers. First, let's look at how you earn. The Scotiabank Gold Amex takes the lead at grocery stores owned by empire like Sobeys, Safeway, and Fresco. With a massive 6 times points per dollar, it also gives you 5 times on dining and entertainment. The Amex Cobalt gives you a flat 5 times points on all groceries and dining. The difference is, Scotia wins on transit and gas with 3 times points compared to Cobalt's 2x. If you spend big at Sobeys, Scotia is the earning champ. 2. The value of points. MR versus CN+. This is where the Cobalt strikes back. The Cobalt earns membership rewards or MR points. These are incredibly valuable because you can transfer them one-to-one to Aeroplan or British Airways Avios. This can easily make your points worth 2 cents or more. The Scotia card earns CN+ points. These are simpler. 100 points always equals $1. It's great for book anyway, travel or groceries. But you can hack them for high-value business class flights like you can with Amex MR point. 3. Traveling abroad. If you're planning a trip outside Canada, this is the deal breaker. The Scotiabank Gold Amex is one of the few cards in Canada with no foreign transaction fees. You save 2.5% on every purchase made in USD, Euros, or any other currency. The Amex Cobalt still charges that 2.5% fee. The verdict is, if you travel internationally often, the Scotia card is your best friend. But if you mostly spend within Canada, the Cobalt's points value wins. Finally, the hidden costs. The Cobalt has a higher annual cost, roughly $192, billed monthly, while the Scotia Gold is lower at $120. Scotia also offers slightly more robust insurance, including trip cancellation and interruption coverage, which the Cobalt lacks. Cobalt has no minimum income requirement, whereas Scotia requires a very accessible $12,000 personal income. And that's pretty much it. Choose Cobalt for the highest value flights and Scotia Gold for the best grocery rates and fee-free travel. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.